Page 5, melody. Well, there's a lot of melodies in music, but okay, we'll go with melody. Starting at the beginning, 4/4 time. In the right hand, third finger on the B, so you're going to be here. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Watch these eighth notes now. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. You have to count that out carefully. And then the second line is very similar to the first line, except for the last measure. For the left hand has harmony. Has the same rhythm as the right hand, but it's harmony. You're not playing the same notes. You're playing different notes. See, it's so you got to watch that. When I was little, and not so little actually, on into high school, and I would see things like this, I just automatically play them on octaves. I figure it's octaves. That's what it is. They're not octaves, it's harmony. Dynamic wise, it starts out loud. See the F at the beginning? Loud. That's the right hand. How loud do you think loud should be here? Keep the left hand a little softer than that. We want to hear the right hand. And then the arrow at the end of the line means get a little softer, so that A, the last note, you can play that sort of a medium loud. Just come down a little bit so it's, because in the next line it's MP, that's medium soft. Come down to medium soft. So you got loud, medium soft, and that's what we're doing. In the last measure of the first line, the first note's loud, next note is medium loud, and then at the next line, now you're medium soft. The left hand's got to be softer than that. Keep the left hand soft. So the second line, you're sort of soft. The melody's sort of soft. And then in the third measure, you have that arrow, you're going to come down to soft. So the last line, the melody is soft. The left hand is really soft. Then in the second to the last measure, in the second line above them, you see that R-A-L-L period. That is an abbreviation for rallentando, which is the same thing as retardando, which means gradually slow down a little bit. So you're counting however fast you're counting, because this is a moderato. Whatever moderato speed is, at the end you would go 1, 2, 3. You're slowing down the tempo. That's all that is for. And you can keep slowing it down all the way to the end until you lift off. So to demonstrate the last line with that, it would be this way. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Off. And that's how that works. You learn the notes and the rhythms first, and don't worry about all that other junk. And then once you have the notes and rhythms accurately, and you can play it with no hesitations or anything, then you go back and add in the dynamics and try and make the dynamics work for you. The problem with dynamics is that they really have to be felt. You got to get into the music. Otherwise it's just an artificial thing. You just let a computer do it. It'll do it fine. But if you get into the music, after you get to know the piece, you can start feeling the music. That's where the dynamics will come out. That's just wonderful when it happens. Now I would like to play this slowly with you to double check the notes and the rhythms. Now we're not going to do dynamics. I'm just going to go notes and rhythms. And we will go slow. The moderatos, that's up to you to do. So go ahead and put your hands in G position. That'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. 4, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, off.